Hey folks, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through an entire month of real-world use with the Godox iT32 mini speed light teamed with the X5 wireless trigger. A combo I took to multiple location shoots with the models, using it both as an on-camera key light and off-camera fill accent. I'll break down what stood out, what surprised me, and how this gear performed when it mattered most. First, let's take a look at the Godox iT32 mini flash. This is a truly portable TTL speed light designed to give you modern flash power in a tiny package. What's unique about the iT32 is its innovative color touchscreen, which makes it very easy to navigate flash modes, channels, the groupings, and power levels much faster than ordinary or previous button-only interfaces. Now, it supports TTL auto metering and manual power control, high-speed sync up to 1/8,000th of a second for balancing with bright sunlight, which is really helpful, first and second curtain sync for creative motion looks, and strobe sonic or multi-flash mode for effects. It does have a built-in LED modeling light with adjustable intensity to help you preview how the light falls before every shot. Now, one of the coolest things is that the power comes from an internal USB-C rechargeable battery, giving you over 500 full power flashes and quick recycling with, at the maximum, it's about 1.5 seconds. A huge plus when moving fast on location. Now let's take a look at the wireless trigger, the X5 module. This small hot shoe trigger attaches magnetically to the iT32, turning into the base when you want the use of flash on camera and instantly into a wireless trigger when it's detached. This means seamless switching between on-camera and off-camera use. 2.4 gigahertz radio control at multiple channels for consistent firing, and it's compatible with Godox's broader ecosystem when you add it with more flashes. This modular design is one of the standout features, especially for those shooters who want to travel light without sacrificing flexibility. I started most shoots by mounting the Godox iT32 plus the X5 directly to my camera as a main light for portraits. What stood out here? Well, the TTL reliability was pretty cool. In natural light situations, the TTL did a solid job handling exposures without frequent power tweaking. Now, the high-speed sync was another great tool that I used. Being able to crank shutter speeds in bright sun meant I could open up my aperture for shallow depth of field while still balancing that flash fill. Now, the ergonomics is another thing that stood out for me since I didn't use a stand. Quick menu access on the touchscreen made adjusting the power and channels on the fly feel smooth. The power isn't on par with full-size studio strobes, but I think that's pretty obvious, so I wasn't blasting through huge distances. But for headshots and body shots and the subject being only about 5 feet away, the environmental portraits and rim lighting and such, it got the job done with a natural feeling results. One of my favorite parts of this kit is how fast it can switch to an off-camera flash. I'll pop the X5 into my camera hot shoe and then just take off the iT32 off the camera, and it just works. No pairing, no menu digging. That means I could place the mini flash behind my subject for creative rim light, or off axis, or even in my hand for soft fill light without interrupting the flow of my shoot. The wireless range was solid for my needs, and it never was an issue. It gave me plenty of distance for creative placement. Just note that the range can shrink when the units are fully separated, so pay attention to the distance and the line of sight when you're further away. The built-in LED modeling light also saved time. Instead of guessing where the shadows would fall, I could preview how the flash would light a scene or even my subject before pressing the shutter. Something that's really helpful when you have models that are waiting for their shots to be taken, and most importantly when you have limited setup time. Here's what I learned working in the field on real shoots with this flash. Portability wins. I could toss this combo in a small bag and not be weighed down between locations. And the only thing I was worried about more or less was creativity. The flexibility is real. I use it as a key light, as a soft light, as a fill light, and even for rim light or backlighting in certain scenarios, just by taking it off the camera. Now the balancing with ambient was really cool. With a high-speed sync and a quick recycle time, I could match the brightness of the skies and shadows and faces without losing continuity. Now just be mindful, because this flash is compact, the TTL sometimes under or overexposes, depending on the distance, the angle, and other variables. With that said, just switch it to manual mode to just fine tune it. That's what I tend to shoot with most of the time, and that's what I did throughout my shoots. After a month of real-world photo shoots with the Godox iT32 and the X5 wireless trigger, it's become a reliable part of my on-the-go lighting kit. It isn't going to replace my full-size flashes, let's be real, okay? Duh. But for travel, model shoots, and quick creative setups where mobility matters and footprint, it really shines. If you want lightweight versatility with modern flash tech and TTL, a high-speed sync, wireless control, and a compact form factor, this setup is absolutely worth checking out. The best part is the price is amazing. It's under $100 for the whole thing. Of course, I appreciate you watching this video, and if you have any questions or comments, concerns about anything that I mentioned, or my setup, or my lighting, my editing, and as well as the iT32 and the X5 trigger, let me know down in the comments. Of course, I'll leave all the links to the gear that I mentioned throughout the video in the description section. And if you enjoy this kind of content and want to see more, you gotta press the like, subscribe to my channel, and of course now give this video a hype, because that's the new way to really help this video out. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.